Hi, I'm Rachel from Slipstick, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to stop furniture sliding around while also protecting your floors with Slipstick's Gorilla Pads. This large pad is a square 4-inch or 100mm and contains 4 pads. Each pad has a rubber dimpled surface on both sides and has a dense, impenetrable core that cushions the furniture legs. It can be used as one piece, and to use you simply slide it under your furniture. It also comes pre-scored for easy cutting and can be cut down to size to suit your needs. The gripper pads can be used on all hard surfaces, including wood, laminate or tiles. There is a peel and stick adhesive option if you want to fix them to your furniture. All Slipstick Gorilla Pads are backed by a 5-year warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.